The digital world has placed its hand on almost every field with the launch of game-based digital therapist. Reasons behind. Some may heard and some may not heard about the ADHD disorder, attention deficit hyperactive disorder, mostly found in children in between of 8 and 12 years. Yeah, there is a disorder like that with the symptoms of inactiveness, or some may be overactive, or maybe the both. Isn't it common in a child? A question may arise within you. Absolutely, it's common if it doesn't reach a threshold or higher level. Before coming to a conclusion, let's be clear with ADHD diagnosis isn't that simple. A consulting with psychologist would help you on that. The treatment include a series of meditation, prescription, education with the analysis of how will the child react to each and continuing on the better option. A point to be noted here is that treatment doesn't cure the disorder, it's just minimizing the effect only. Well, everyone hates hospital including me, maybe the smell, the serious sad atmosphere, giving the illusion of everyone eyes on us. Not to forget the scary pills and injections. Adult would show hatred towards the hospital, not to mention a child. Considering this on mind, a whole new digital medication has been introduced to the world. The US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) permitted marketing the first game-based digital therapist device to improve attention in children with ADHD, attention deficit hyperactive disorder. The precaution-only game-based device called Endeavor RX for patients of age 8 to 12 years old with primary inactiveness or combined ADHD type. Endeavor RX is the first game-based therapist granted marketing authorized by FDA for any type of condition what the device possibly used for. Endeavor RX is intended for use as part of a therapist program that may include the related ADHD treatment. It offers non-drug option for improving symptoms associated with ADHD in children and also an important example of the growing field of digital therapy and therapists, said Jeffrey Shurin. The FDA reviewed data from multiple studies in more than 600 children, including studies that evaluated whenever a participant showed any attention and those attention standards measured accurately by TOVA test of variables of attention. The most common adverse event observed in Endeavor RX are frustration, headache, dizziness, emotion reaction, and aggressiveness. The most common adverse effects are found in 1 in 1000 people. The Food and Drug Administration reviewed the Endeavor RX by Do Nova pre-market review path. Thereby we know how the digital world getting into a new level that we haven't expected. Comment your thoughts. Thanks for watching the video.